Anna Hazare was conspicuous by his absence in Mamta Banerjee's debut rally in the capital yesterday. With rumours of a parting of ways between the anti-graft crusader and the West Bengal Chief Minister doing the rounds, the BJP is also making overtures to Anna. Even as suspense looms over Anna's absence, there is no doubt that it is only compounding to Mamta's pre-poll woes.
He has endorsed Mamta Banerjee in the past, even promising to participate in her national campaigns. But conspicuous by his absence in what was supposed to be their joint rally in Ramlila Maidan in the capital, Anna Hazare's no-show, setting off rumours of a growing distance with the TMC chief.
लेकिन हम अन्ना जी का कहने पर हम बंगाल छोड़ के और भी हमारा काम छोड़ के हम आई हुई है.
What was more surprising was the anti-graft crusaders' simultaneous meeting with BJP leader VK Singh in the capital.
It was not a political meeting, it was just a courtesy call by me only.
But Mamta clearly trying to downplay the issue.
Why I'll be deserted and disappointed? And we will fight our battle, no problem. Maybe he's not well, maybe he's having some problem. You have to respect that problem. I don't blame him.
But the left attacking Mamta, alleging that Anna-Mamta bonding was nothing but a photo op.
हजारे भ्रष्टाचार के खिलाफ धरना देने गए, उस वक्त दिल्ली में यूपीए 2 सरकार उनको जेल में डाल दिया, भ्रष्टाचार के विरोध में आवाज उठाने के लिए परमिशन नहीं दिया. उस वक्त तृणमूल कांग्रेस और ममता बनर्जी तो यूपीए 2 के शरीक थे, तो उस वक्त वो भ्रष्टाचार के खिलाफ अन्ना के साथ नहीं गए. वो उस वक्त कहे कि अन्ना आरना, नो मोर अन्ना.
Much emphasis has been laid on Anna Hazare's health, the reason that he could not attend Mamata Banerjee's rally here in Delhi, the person whom he has showered his blessings as the best prime ministerial candidate. But the question remains whether he will attend rallies in the future, because he is contemplating against sharing a stage with any political personality.
Bureau Report, Times Now.